Hello and welcome to the cottage of chaos and mayhem. The kids are the chaos, the rest is just mayhem. And in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make mini Irish daisies. So I've got 4-ply sock yarn instead of lacy yarn. It's the finest yarn I have, but I'm not allowed to buy any more yarn apparently until I've used a load up. So we're going to have to make do where we can. I've got a 2mm hook and scissors, and that's all you're going to need. So let's get started, shall we? So to start with, we're going to make a magic ring, and I will say, if there are any of these stitches that you do not know, I do have tutorials that I post every 2 weeks on a Wednesday on basic stitch tutorials, and they are in my Learn to Crochet playlist. So first we've chained 1. Now we're going to do 10 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just working the single crochets into the magic ring. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're going to pull our magic ring closed. I'm just going to do a slip stitch into the first stitch to finish this. So next what we're going to do is we're going to chain 2, and in the next stitch we are going to work 3 half double crochets. So 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch into the next stitch, like so. Chain 2, work 3 half double crochets in the next stitch, 2, 3, chain 2, and slip stitch into the next stitch. Again, chain 2, 3 half double crochets, chain 2, and slip stitch. 1, 2, 3 half double crochets, chain 2, and slip stitch. Last one, chain 2, 3 half double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2 and slip stitch into the last stitch. And there you have a beautiful little Irish daisy. So cut your yarn over and pull through. There. And as always, as I have done with the last few, let's see what it looks like on one of our vine headbands with the other flowers, shall we? So 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful, I think. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you liked this video, please do click that like button and subscribe. Help boost me in the algorithm. Subscribe for more tutorials. I post a tutorial every week. One week it's a basic crochet tutorial. Next week it'll be a pattern. And I am currently working on little accessory crochet tutorials for little accessories for these headbands. And I'm working on making tutorials on how to make each of these headbands from the rectangular shape to this shape. And I've already started posting on how to do the vines with the leaves. You can have the big dramatic leaf or the small subtle leaf. It's your choice. And I hope to see you next week for my next tutorial. Don't forget as well, I also have my new series, which is I Made It So You Don't Have To, where I am exploring and exposing the issues with AI generated patterns and stuff bought on Temu, all in one go. So yeah, please do go and check that out. And if you'd like to support this channel and what I do, you can go and check out my Etsy, Tido, my Patreon, Ko-fi, where I post all of my patterns as well. So yeah, I hope to see you next week. Bye!